got me in the pool. I got no battle by doors. Sitting no battle by doors. Young nigga ready for war. Young nigga shooting them boys. Bitch, you not ready for noise. I can do this in my sleep. I put that verse on your head. You will be dead in a week. I just want all of the spell.
What's up, guys? We're back with Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 12, the season finale. And Aki looks like he's about to go to sleep. And we get him. No. It's Himeno, bro. You can't lose now. I feel like she's a good person, but also a bad manipulator. And don't put her around kids because she does things that could get her in jail. She's a good person, but she got some bad traits though. That's terrible, bro. That's terrible words, bro, though. She's like, once you get a drug addiction, then let me know. Then we could, have some fun, sir. That's fucking terrible. Is this a middle finger? Or something? Probably a... He's like, what the hell? He's like, smoke on this snake double pack. For Miyaki. You couldn't light it up that first time in the hospital. Easy revenge. It's the light work. That's what it's saying. Go for the head. Oh shit. He's like, what? Do it. You better not. At least this season, you better not. I need you alive, boy. Oh my god. All that blue Kool-Aid. Now it's time to take her ass out. You're next, bitch. Kobani. She was like a snake, bro. She's actually taller than her? No, they're like the same height, I think. Because she felt bad. Oh, she's like, oh, that paper, that check looks pretty nice. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think Kobani would have hesitated to kill her too. Why she got a zombie hand? Oh god. They got stronger. Oh shit, more zombies. Close the door, close the door. God, all the Yakuza turn into zombies. Oh, this bitch isn't going to. Dumbass. I'll let you deal with that. I got my sideburns, bitch ass guy to handle. Hopefully you don't get killed. Oh my god. Jeez, that one's tall. Yep. Right
出
here.
たなもみあげマン。
待て待て待て。少し
Last time you didn't want to have a... Well, we did, but you fucking shot me.
お前の態度次第じゃ俺たちは投降するつもりだ。
Yeah, right.
俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ。
You were raging out, rageful this whole fucking time. You expect me to believe that.
お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
Why?
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つき
See?
やがる。
Because he's not lying. You just want to be on your grandpa's side.
ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛む。
Nope.
全然。
You made my life a living hell, bro.
心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみたいだな。
You told me to pay my debt even after my father died. Why would I feel any sympathy for that man?
お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
No. My life was shit. You probably had a good life.
やだ。
なるほど。じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
Alrighty.
やってみろよぜ。
God! What happened to his men, bro? Let's go. Round 2, bro.
俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
Exactly. I prepared, bro. Trained with one of the strongest. Okay, let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Get active, bitch! Fighting on top of the building, bro. Pow! Bro, the way they be swinging this shit, bro, it's like a heavy attack. You could tell that shit. Oh my god. On the train. Where's Spider-Man at?
前よりは動けるみたいだな。デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
Because I have a life.
この生活を守るため。
Exactly, man. You don't fucking understand.
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな。そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
Facts.
お前は俺には勝てね
あ？もう勝ったつもりでいいんだぜ。
Exactly.
俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。シャコだ。
Let's go. Oh my god. It's clean. At least he hasn't got cut up. The thing is, you know, katanas, you know, are sharp and quick. You know, fucking no one be swinging around chainsaws, so it's gonna be definitely harder to fucking swing, bro. Oh shit. Oh god. At least he's blocking a lot. Fuck, of course there's a bitch in here, bro. Oh shit, not that. Ah. No arms. I mean, you still got your head, though. Or one of your arms. No, not the other one. It's hard, because now we're in a tight-ass space, too. I'm just gonna have to kick his ass then, bro. That sucks. We're in the fucking train. That made it fucking
え。
worse.
もう戦えないだろう。なあ、デンジ。じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
No. You probably wouldn't even care. I killed him and that's it.
まだ戦えるぜ。
Exactly.
頭にチェーンソーが残ってるからね。
I saw blood draw.
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。
Teach you what?
引き時ってやつをよ。
Oh shit.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
Why is Denji's foot hidden?
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとな、バーカ。
Oh shit. Yup. God. That should hurt, bro. Right down the middle. Oh yeah. Bro, he has it in his fucking feet. His whole leg, bro. Oh, that should hurt, bro. Right down the middle, bro. If I was to get cut in half, I want to get, like, horizontally, not vertically, like, because that's the long way down, and that's where everything is.
目が覚めたか。やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
Yep.
ぶっ殺してや
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまでここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよね。
Punch him, then.
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。
Exactly.
面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだ。なのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしない。
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬うざい。
It's true, but you know what? My life feels better, though, than it was before.
今から大会を開く。
Oh, Aki's here.
大会？あ、いいとこに来たな。こちら4課早川。時計館内線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会によ。お前は何を言ってんだ？こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。
Yep.
だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
Oh shit.
正気かお前。
Yep, that's what you get for attacking me. You shot me too. In the head.
あ？呼んねえのか？俺たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。
Have a little fun, Aki,
嘘
bro.
を晴らすことじゃない。
I mean, if it makes you feel
そんな
better.
ことしたって姫の先輩は喜ばない。
Didn't the cigarette say sweet revenge? Get that revenge, bro. Or easy revenge. Think about it, Aki.
ああ。勝ったら何くれんだ？ そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金よ。
I like their relationship, though.
待て待て。
Let's go. Get that revenge. Kick him. Kill him. Are we finally getting that good ending? Bro, I swear, I mean not Aki, but fucking Denji and Power, bro, they're always yawning, bro. Almost every episode. Oh shit. Yeah.
天国まで聞こえるか？
Aki's enjoying it. Oh god.
俺たちから反対
Yeah, he's gonna be kind of pissed off though. But he deserves it, bro. He shot me in the fucking head and shot Himeno. And attacked us
今
all.
回のテロ 事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェーンソーの悪魔
I mean, he deserves just to die.
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった？
それが聞き出す前に。
Oh shit. She offed herself? Oh my god.
自殺。
銃の悪魔
Kobani was like,
自動的に自殺した
what
の
the
かもしれ
fuck?
ません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が
But they shouldn't they had something for her to use her abilities, bro? Because then she could escape with that. Oh my god. It's the end of this show. Bro, this show was so entertaining, bro. I understand the hype. It was so entertaining. Whether or not it was just, you know, dialogue, you know, funny. The show's funny. It has everything, bro. Action, fan service. So, the show's fire, bro. Mappa did amazing, though, with this. People were jarred a bit by the CGI, but I thought it looked amazing. I thought it looked good. The fight, this was the best fight? Yeah, it probably was this episode. I'm just happy to see Denji, you know, live a life, you know, a normal life. And look at that good ass food they get, bro. Bro, how they got all this damn food, bro, for just the 3 of them? I wonder if Aki was living by himself, though, this whole time, so... I don't know. Did he ever have friends like this? I think they all need an animal in their life. Look at them, they're just passed out, bro. Those two just fall asleep like that. That sweet revenge, bro. That lucky cigar. I don't know why I keep saying sweet revenge. Easy, easy, bro. I mean, it's pretty similar. Smoke that shit, boy. Light it up. At peace, bro. Whatever makes you feel at ease. How does it feel, bro? Tastes like dead bodies, right? Till next time. I still see they got food, bro. Hey, come over. I need that. Bro, it's so black. Whoa. Why does this look like the first episode? Yeah, I could tell it's Denji's hair. Of a door?
出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Why not, Pochita? Why? Why the fuck? Why aren't you here with me, man? I need to physically touch you. I need my support spirit animal. Look at this beautiful nature. Oh shit, is this? Is this Rez? To be continued. Oh man. great show. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a like and subscribe. How did you like Chainsaw Man? Are you excited for the movie and season 2? Trying to remember what this movie would possibly adapt in the manga. I have read the manga. I'm kind of like forgot everything that happened. I might reread it. But yeah, Chainsaw Man was amazing. I thought it was great show. The animation was like flawless. There was no like iffy animation. I thought it was good, great to amazing ass animation. But I'm glad to see Chainsaw Man is here. And till next time, season 2 has been officially confirmed for 2024. So we should see it by next year. So till next time, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.